Here you can see I'm making the walls for the FLL tables. So this is a long piece that we have here. You can see here that it's mounted on this special fixture, which is strapped down to the table. This special fixture has different lengths in it, so it will cut through this part of the face to face this off to a certain length, and then for the shorter walls, it'll cut about right here to create the face for the shorter walls. Over here we've got a couple of finished pieces. So you can see that's what it's looking like at the moment. So that's the longer side, that's the shorter side, and then those are completed long slides. So I just got this set up with this fixture. I took the dust cover off because it was getting in the way of what was going on, which is fine. The vacuum, the nine partition vacuum, wasn't strong enough to hold the fixture down, which is why there's toe straps. So that's kind of where I'm at with the walls. So the first batch is going to be a set of 8, and I'm currently working towards that. This is the first fixture in a 2-fixture series. The second fixture is going to drill the holes that will actually mount this to the lower base plate. And then over there we have some completed base plates. So that's kind of where I'm at. Thanks for watching.